Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze or lock a lost or stolen chase card. Let's get straight into it. The first method is to do so online. So what you want to do is to sign into your Chase online banking accounts, and then you want to click on the account management tab and select account services, and then you can just click on lock or unlock cards, and then select the lost or stolen card, and then just confirm that you want to lock the card. Now on the Chase mobile app, what you want to do is to open the Chase mobile app on your device first, and then log into your accounts. Now you want to tap on the accounts management tab and select account services, and then just tap on lock or unlock card, and you just select the lost or stolen card and confirm that you want to lock the card. So on your mobile device, you could also use the option to call Chase customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and you can just report the stolen or lost card to the customer service representative, and just request to lock the card to prevent unauthorized transaction. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.